Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Emily and Ruby. Happy 2020! I know we've been going for a while. It's been a hot minute, but we've been so busy. But we're making cookies. Let's go! We need the ingredients. Let's go get. Yes. Hi. So, if any of you are wondering, we're using Brett McGregor's No Fuss chocolate chip cookie recipes, so you can make them too. We're getting bowls. Okay. So you need 150 grams of butter, softened butter. So we're gonna do that, and you need sugar. I don't remember the exact amount, but you need sugar. We're gonna do that. So we're just adding the butter. Everybody's making music. We got the butter in the bowl. Now we need to get the sugar. What? Getting the sugar. Hi. Why is it recording? I don't know. Before we get... We're just before we get the sugar, we actually need to melt the butter. So we also preheated the oven. Yes, to 170 Celsius. We're getting the sugar now, and we're pouring it in. Okay. Now we mix them. Okay, so next we mix all creamy and stuff, which is with it. Now you need 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, which we're getting now. Now putting the 2 egg, 1 egg yolk, 1 egg, putting that in. Now we mix. Now we get baking soda and put the baking soda in the flour. We put vanilla essence in there. Yeah, and also put vanilla essence in. Now we do the baking soda. Now you get flour and you do 2.5 cups. It's done. Now we add chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. So they're in the oven. Yeah. And now we're gonna wait 15 minutes, and yeah. That was us making cookies. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Peace out, guys and gals.